Hello. This is question number 5 in yesterday's exercise. What is given in this question? In this question, it is given that there are fruit sellers in a retail market. There are fruit vendors who sells fruits, and these are the details that number of mangoes. These are the number of mangoes, and these are the number of boxes. That is number of boxes in which 50 to 52 mangoes. 50 to 52 mangoes are in 15 boxes. 110 boxes have 53 to 55 mangoes. 135 boxes have 56 to 58 mangoes. 115 boxes have 59 to 61 mangoes, and 25 boxes have 62 to 64 mangoes. These are the number of boxes, and these are the number of mangoes which are contained in these boxes. So the question is asking that find the mean number of mangoes placed in a packing box. We have to find the mean number of mangoes in each box. So first of all, we have to find the mid value. How to find the mid value? To find the mid value, we have to add this lower limit and upper limit and divide it by 2. This is our lower limit. This is our upper limit. We add this and we are going to divide this sum by 2. 202, 5, 5, 10 divided by 2. 2 5 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2, 51. This is 51. As it is this data is not continuous. You can see here 52 and here 53. Let add these also. 53 plus 55. This is lower limit, this is upper limit. Divide this sum by 2. 5 3 8, 5 5 10. And we have to divide by 2. 2 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja 8. 54. This is 54. You can see that difference is 3 here. 3 3 3 3. You just add 3. 54 plus 3, 57. 57 plus 3, 60. 60 plus 3, 63. At last you can check 62 plus 64. 62 plus 64. We are checking to show it. Divided by 2. 4 2 6. 6 6 12. Divided by 2. 2 6 ja 12. 2 3 ja 6. 63. That is correct. Now we have to find the value of u. How to find the value of u? To find the value of u, here we will apply step deviation method. Step deviation method. Which method? Step deviation method we are going to apply here. In this method, we have to find this term u, and the formula for finding u here is this formula we are going to use: xi minus a divided by h. Here a means assumed mean. Assumed mean has to be taken from xi. You can choose any one. Let us choose this 57 as assumed mean. You can take any one from here. This is our assumed mean. Let a is equal to 57. And what about h? You have to note that we can take value of h any integer which divides this difference, xi minus 57. Here the value of h we can choose according to our choice, but the condition is that it should be a perfect divisor of this difference. For our convenience we can choose here 3, because here difference is 3 3 3. So it is easy to take. Okay, now let us go. Xi, in place of xi we will take 51 minus our assumed mean a is, we have taken assumed mean 57. In place of a 57, we are taking h as 3 because here difference is 3. H is 3. Okay, xi, value of xi is 51. Value of xi is 51 minus 57 divided by 3. Their difference is minus 6 divided by 3. 3 to ja 6 minus 2. Okay, now 54 minus 57, what will you get? Minus 3 divided by 3, what will you get? Minus 1. In this way you can see it will be in a serial wise manner, because here there is a constant difference. It will be 0, it will be plus 1, it will be plus 2. You can check. 63 minus 57, 63 minus 57, you will get 6 divided by 3, 2. That's correct. Now we have to multiply fi and ui to get fi ui, product fi ui. 15 to ja 30 minus 30. 110 multiplied by minus 1, minus 110. 135 into 0 is equal to 0. 115 multiplied by 1, 115. 25 multiplied by 2, you will get 50. Let us add these. If you add these two are negative. Let us add them. Minus 30 minus 110, you will get minus 140. And these are positive. Their sum will be 505, 516, 1. And subtract this. 5, 6 minus 4, 2. Plus 25, because positive number is larger. So summation fi ui. Summation fi ui is equal to 25. Understood? I hope you are getting what I am saying. Now n means summation fi. We have to add all these. If you add all these, you will get 400. Now in step derivation method, formula for finding mean is a means assumed mean, plus summation fi ui divided by n, this is the n, and multiplied by h. Let us put values. In place of a we will write what? 57 plus, in place of summation fi ui we will write what? 25. In place of n we will write 400, and in place of h we will write 3. Okay, 57 plus 25 panja 25, and if you divide 400 by 25, what will you get? 25 panja 25. Difference is 15 here. 0. 25 6 ja 150. 16, you will get 16 multiplied by 3. Okay, now what you have to do? 57 plus 3 divided by 16. In rough notebook you can try. If you divide 3 by 16, you will get what? 0.1875. 1875. At last we have to add these. If you add these, 57 plus 0, 57.1875. As approximation you can take, as this 7 third digit is larger than 5, we can increase this digit by 1, that is 9. 57.19 is our final answer. Understood? Hope you understood.